Hi guys, how we doing? Nothing much again, nothing much today. It is absolutely pouring down rain and where I live. So what I thought we'd do was attempt to repot these beans. They are pretty difficult to get out, I will be honest. And I wasn't going to make a video today, but I was on Amazon yesterday. I was looking for chicken manure pellets, Westland chicken manure pellets. I'm just making a mess here, by the way, just so I can get it in camera. And I went onto Amazon, and a 2.25 kilogram box of chicken manure pellets on Amazon was the cheapest I could find. Was £8.25, but I would have to wait like a week for it to get delivered. The next one up was £9.95, and I could get it within 2 days. I thought, ain't paying that. So I went on to B&M's website, and they have Westland 2.2 kilogram chicken manure pellets for £3.99. So I just thought I would do a wee quick video. I'll put a picture up of what they look like while I'm doing this. I just thought I'd do a wee video just to show you the difference in prices. And I'm an avid Amazon buyer. I mean, the first place I go when I'm looking to buy something is Amazon, because I very rarely go outside. I go out my back door, but I very rarely go like out and about. And I couldn't believe the price, just couldn't believe it. So anyway, I'll carry on with this. I'll get these done. I'm hopefully going to have them ready for the next couple of weeks to go out. I just hope this is big enough. Should be. And then I'll get back to you. Thanks. Okay, while I was at B&M, I also found this. I've been watching people on YouTube, and they've kind of said that this is really quite good. Liquid seaweed concentrate. And people on YouTube said it's really good for like flowers. And anyway, this was £2.50, I believe. I really went in for, is it Tomarite or Tomatorite or whatever you call it. They wanted £5 for that. This was £2.49. I thought, oh, do you know what? I'm going to give it a bash. I've been feeding my tomato plants with the tomato. I've still got some. So I think I'll use this for the rest of the stuff, just to see what it's like. It's liquid seaweed concentrate. 1.2 litres, and it makes up to 360 litres. You put a capful in to 4.5 litres of water. It's all 4.5 litres of water. One capful to 4.5, one capful to... So basically, one of them to 4.5 litres of my watering can is 9 litres, so I'll put 2 of them in my watering can. That makes it easy. So I'll give it a bash, I'll give it a wee try, and hopefully it works. Okay, a couple of other wee jobs to do, and I'll be back soon. Hi guys, I'm back. So I've done the wee jobs. I've potted on some of these French beans. I was going to put them all out at once, and then I decided, no, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some in a pot and then plant the seeds actually outside at the same time, and then we'll get succession growing. And I just broke one of my corn. Damn. My latest Crimson Crush that I planted, because the other ones were looking like crap, they're actually doing better than the ones I planted weeks ago. These are all kind of leggy looking, especially this one. I don't know. If they work, they work. If they don't, they don't. I've still got some outside as well. Talking about outside, all I'm going to do now is add some chicken pellets to my stuff. I've got the tunnel open because it's absolutely bucketing of rain, or was bucketing of rain, and that will save me for watering the bed. Got my strawberries out to get water. Nothing at all has changed at all in the last couple of days, apart from these just appeared this morning, or I've just noticed them this morning. I don't think they were there yesterday. Look at the length of that. Must be wrong, must be. Everything else is exactly the same as it was, except been eating the chard. I made chard soup and it was absolutely delish. And I'm going to start taking some leaves off my comfrey and packing it into bottles with, you know, juice bottles, milk cartons actually, and add water to it, let it rot down. That's about us the day. Nothing much to show. Everything seems to be growing, and I'm just hoping that we're past our last frost. We should be, because where I live it's supposed to be the end of April, last week in April. But you know what websites are like, you can take it with a pinch of salt. Anyway, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Stay safe. Bye.